Hi guys, welcome back. I have a video for you guys today. I am starting off with 8-inch vanilla cake. And this is just one cake that I have cut in half. And I'm also using my buttercream recipe. And I just wanted to do something small for the design that I am doing for my cake today. And that's why I decided to just do one cake. And with my crumb coat, I didn't want any crumbs on my final layer, so I decided to do a crumb coat today. Once my crumb coat is done, I place this in the freezer for it to chill for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's nice and chilled, we can start on the final frosting. Time to clean up the sides. I am just smoothing this out. And I ended up not using my cake scraper today just because this cake was so short anyways. I'm just using my offset spatula. And I'm just cleaning off the top of my cake. Right here, I did clean off my spatula and run it through some hot water, just so that when I am doing the swirl on top of my cake, I don't get a lot of air pockets. And unfortunately, I didn't show a video of how I made this, but it's pretty plain and simple, just like my ocean cake. Melted chocolate onto the mold and just freeze that back and forth until I had the amount that I needed. I am just using my buttercream. I have it tinted brown. This is a number 5 tip that I'm using. And I'm just placing the roses onto the top of my cake. No specific order. And then I'm also doing a little bit on the other side of my cake. And now I'm using a tip number 352 for my leaves. And I have my buttercream colored into a faded juniper green color. also decided to pipe leaves onto the stems of my cake. And this is it, guys. This is what my cake looks like. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I made this cake. I couldn't really decide on how to use the chocolate molds, but I thought that this fit it perfectly. If you guys like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to also hit that notification button, and I will see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching.